Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Junior Cert History. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and how marks are awarded. This knowledge is crucial for directing your study efforts effectively. Next, focus on understanding the major historical periods and their key events, ensuring you grasp the broader context. Finally, regularly practice with past exam questions to get comfortable with the expected answer styles and time management. To truly master the material, try creating detailed timelines. These help you visualize the sequence of events and understand cause and effect. Mind maps are also excellent for connecting different topics and historical figures, making complex information more manageable. Additionally, summarizing chapters in your own words significantly boosts retention, helping you internalize the content rather than just memorizing it. When it comes to the exam itself, strong essay writing skills are paramount. Practice structuring your arguments clearly and supporting them with historical evidence. Effective time management during the exam is also vital. Allocate specific amounts of time to each question and stick to them. Reviewing common question types will help you anticipate what to expect and prepare well-reasoned answers. As you approach the exam, consider forming study groups. Discussing topics with peers can clarify difficult concepts and offer new perspectives. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Getting adequate rest before the exam is just as important as your study efforts. And for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some great deals on leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.